Good morning, everybody. Welcome to a very foggy November morning here in Shizukuishi, and we're checking out the last Kei Truck, so Kei Truck market of the year. So this is a monthly market we have here. They block off the whole main street from Gogatsu, so May through, is it right? Gogatsu, May through to November, and they sell everything from all sorts of awesome foods, antiques, and toys and things for kids. So let's go for a wander through now and take a little look. Oh, you want to see my picture? Come look this way, look this way, look this way. My pictures. My picture. My picture. And then 中もいっぱい入ってる。あります。もちろんあります。自分撮ったやつだから。いや、面白いね。That's my pictures there. Alright, let's go have a look. Okay, so as you can see, all the way down the main street, there's Kei Trucks, or what they call Kei Trucks here in Japan, light vans that are 660cc engines basically. They're very handy, and they're pretty cheap to run and to maintain. So we've got pizza here, coming down, let's walk on down. We've got okonomiyaki, by the looks of it. Takoyaki, is it takoyaki there? So that's octopus balls, maybe some karage, fried chicken, and lots of eggs. Oh, check it out, green eggs. It's pretty cool. And then one of my favorites is the Indian food, Himalayan food here. We got naan. Hey boys, ohayou gozaimasu. This one I usually always pick up. Butter chicken curry naan, tandoori chickens. This one is awesome too. Great stuff. 面白い。帽子ですね。おはようございます。面白い。Also like flea market type stuff. All sorts of odds and ends. Little bits of everything. Here's some Indonesian food, some nasi goreng, noodles. Quite spicy, right? This is my favorite section, the antiques. Let's go have a look through. Ohayou gozaimasu. Cool. Oh, Han Solo here. 500 yen. That's about, what's that about? $3.50, $4 US for Han Solo. Hey guys, how's it going? Did you buy something already?
Yes.
Yeah? Having fun? Last one, ne? Kyo saigo. Yeah. Oh, stay warm, huh? Enjoy winter time. Have fun. Some very friendly chaps from the Philippines, I think they're from. They always come by our booth and buy a lot of my stuff when I have a little booth here. So, ooh, look at that old Polaroid camera there. 300 yen? Wow, yasui. Polaroid land camera, 300 yen, 300 yen. So like $2 or so. That's pretty cool, huh? And it even comes with a case. Wow, Sapporo tin. That's cool. That's cool. Awesome. これ刀セット3800円ですか？セットで。
ただこの台が1000円。
台が1000円。Oh, okay. 中見ていいですか？ Yeah. That's pretty cool. Not bad. Ooh, we got some retro idols here. Ooh. Ohayou gozaimasu. かっこいい。Alright, let's keep moving. Oh, same guy. He's wearing my jacket. I sold him. This guy has some really cool old vintage coins and money. Look at this. Look at this doll. Look at this. What's this random doll? That's so funny. Interesting. But lots of old antique and very old money from Japan and various coins. Pretty cool. I love these little guys. This one, 500 yen, like $3. That's pretty cool. Might have to get that after. Put it with the rest of the collection. Oh, I like this tin. Very Showa era. That's kind of cool. Neo Miruku Mama. Neo Miruku Mama. Snow brand. 700 yen. 900 yen. Vintage airplane. 面白いね。錆びてるけど。これ何用ですか？何でも。何でもいい。ああ、大きいね。いくらですか？1万7000円。やば。わお。ああ、そうですか。買ったのはいいんだけど、やっぱり大きくて。This guy I see at a lot of the markets has a lot of antique stuff. I bought a fair few bits from him before. Oh, my mic fell down. What's going on here? Ooh. Cool. Oh, you got a big saw. Oh, shit. Oh, it's like a little one version of the ones I have at home. Kawaii ne. Chichai version. That's cute. Ah, some cool old suitcases. Wow. Those are awesome. Oh, look at this old top hat. Where on earth did you get this from? Whoa. My goodness. Oh, look at this radio. Oh, how cool is this? 5,000 yen, so about $40 or so. That's pretty cool, huh? There's a nice one. My partner, my videographer today, filming for me. Okay, so Nimang Nisan. Pew pew. Let's have a look what we got here. Oh, it's kind of nice design. Oh, I got some kanji down here. Oh. Sorry? Katana to onaji tsukurikata. It's made the same as a sword, I see. That's very cool. Very nice. Oh, some katana tsuba here. Very nice. Whoa, what's this? It's the ice cream vendor. Wind up. Let's see, is it made in Japan, this one? Looks a bit Chinese, you think? Okay, so let's check out some more of the food area now as we wander down the main street here. We got ramen. The always popular Japanese crepes with bananas and cream and chocolate, all sorts of stuff. It's a local Iwate delicacy called Hoya. It's like a sea cucumber type deal. Oh, here's our old friend that we did some pottery with before. Ohayou gozaimasu. Yeah, otsukaresama desu. So he sells his pottery. He also does classes. So we did a little workshop with him once before, and we made some little mugs and things. It was good fun. Oh, we're coming up on some of the very popular seafood shops here, especially the one that sells the oysters. You'll probably see a line for miles. All for these big bad boys right here. Look at the size of them compared to my hand. It's huge. That's a big old oyster. And they sell out every month. Look at the line. Let's go through, have a look at the line. Everybody hungry for their morning oysters. Have a look at this. Most popular Kei Truck in the whole market by far. Ohayou gozaimasu. This is one of our little local bars or izakaya where we come for some good food and some beers sometimes. This is about the only street pretty much in the town with bars and things anyway, so this is where we come sometimes. And oishisou. After video 終わったら顔美味しそう。おはようございます。美味しそう。Mini taco, ika, so squid and octopus and other shellfish, some chicken skin and chicken with green onions. So throw another prawn on the barbie. Not a shrimp, it's a prawn. So vendors selling some fresh vegetables from their farms and other handcrafts, leather goods. This guy sells really cheap jeans. Kawaii. Cute pup. Yakisoba. Good stuff, yay. Thank you. Very good. So our buddy here does these custom Kei trucks into camper vans. So they're pretty awesome. They can be lifted off the back of your Kei truck. And if you have a look inside, you can get an idea of some of the designs they can do. Awesome for camping and road trips. Yep. あ、行きますよ。いや、ぜひぜひ。Oh, smells good. This is our favorite at the market, lamb sticks. Over here we have ayu, so sweet fish grilling up here, very nice as well. This is our good buddy Yama-chan here doing his coffee shop. Ohayo Yama-chan. Mienai kana? Always popular. Lots of people here. Ah, ohayo, otsukaresama. Fried pork. I guess that's what you would call it. Oh, that looks good. Oh. Down here we have the kids section. Let's have a little look through, see what toys they have. All sorts of kids' collectible toys and plushies and things. Ah, hi Kozue-san. Isashiburi. Genki desu yo. This is my friend Kozue-san. She's very good at English, and she's a ski instructor as well. So you can see she makes matcha for guests, and she also teaches skiing to kids. Let's see your matcha photos. Making matcha. Oh, look, there's me, and there's Takemi here.
And me.
There's Kozue-san. This is hiking some mountain. There we go.
Tea party.
Tea party, yeah, that's awesome.
Tea ceremony. Recently tea party.
Recently?
Yes.
Very good. Very good.
Before tea ceremony, but
Yep.
Party.
Yep.
の方がふさわしいんだって。
Fun. Sounds like fun. And if you come to stay in Shizukuishi, Kozue-san has a minpaku やってるんですよね。So you can stay at her house. There's a picture I took of her working out. 熊の写真は入ってないですか？
入ってません。
Awesome. Good stuff. Okay. Ah, yeah. Good ski. もうちょっとね、スキーに行こうね。
今日ね。
もうちょっと。
今年はあれだ、スノボ。
Snowboard?
I try.
Okay, we're going to go snowboarding. I'm teaching her snowboarding this season.
Yes.
Tanoshimi. We look forward to it. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye. Okay, so in this section here we have a little game going on for kids to try and win some rice. So they have to try to measure out a certain amount of rice, and if they can get the weight just right, they can win some rice, I believe. And if they don't get it right, they will still win some popular Japanese candy here. Umaibo. Whoa! Omedetou gozaimasu. 300. So the young fella got the weight just right. He got 300 grams, so he wins a bag of rice. Well done, little fella. Omedetou gozaimasu. So you can see all the kids lined up here waiting to have a crack at it. Okay, let's keep on rolling down this way and have a look what else. Oh, look at the size of this scallops here grilling away. Looks good. Ohayou gozaimasu. He's a busy man, very popular. You can even buy a Kei Truck if you want, for your farm or for getting around town. They've been becoming quite popular overseas lately, I see too, in areas that allow them for their safety standards. Some parts of America. I don't think they're in Australia yet, but they're definitely gaining popularity in certain parts of the States. Fresh, frozen fish and dried snacks. Yum yum. Little randoseru. Little school backpacks. Sakurada Farms selling their hi. So they live just near us and they grow shiitake mushrooms. Look at the size of it. So to give you an idea, this is a 1,000 yen bag of shiitake mushrooms, so about $7 or $8 for all these yummy yummy shiitake mushrooms. Good stuff. Oh look, we got some bear meat in a can from Akita. Oh, deer curry. The perfect winter food, oden. Eggs are my favorite, and konnyaku. Konnyaku kana? Ah, oishisou. Tamago, daisuki. Oh, look at this. Wow, it's big like a wood. Ah. Oh, かっこいい。
どうぞどうぞ。
2000円
2000円。
2000円。かっこいいね。A beautiful piece of wood for 2,000 yen. 2,000 yen they're asking. Yeah, kawaii. Kawaii. Frenchie. Hey, buddy. Hey. Oh. Aren't you cute? Oh, you're so cute. Okay, so that's about it. We made it to the other end of the street after a long walk and lots of amazing smells. So now we're going to wander back up one more time and pick up some breakfast and maybe a beer or two. We'll see. All right. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Otherwise, if you're in the area between May and November, this Kei Truck market runs every first Sunday of each month. So from, let's see, from 8 o'clock in the morning till midday or so, around about there. So if you're in the area, drop on by, pick up a bargain and try out some of the amazing food. All right, see you in the next video.
find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing